up, guys? Welcome back to RaceCon Network. If you guys are new to this channel, you're just tapping in, please smash a sub on this video. I mean, it really helps the channel grow. We're on a road to 1,000. We've been grinding. Yesterday I had the most views I've had yet on this channel, so just really appreciate all the love and support. Smash a like on this video and let's get this thing popping. Right now I'm on the way to the E85 station to go get some gas because I'm extremely low. I have like 20 miles to empty, so we got to get there ASAP. And then I got my draggy with me. We're gonna be doing pulls 0 to 60. Probably not quarter miles today, just probably 0 to 60 pulls and some point of view driving and stuff like that, just because I got work here in an hour, so I can't really what's it called, go to my test hit spot and stuff like that. So we're just gonna work with what we have. So basically my car's making right around 490 wheel, so I'm just gonna round up in the video, say 500 wheel horsepower, point of view driving. It's a low, super low 11-second car, full interior. I do have a bunch of shit in the back right now too. So we're hitting the E station and then we're gonna get that point of view going for you guys. I have a few cameras and then I'm gonna take some shots with this, also some pictures and stuff, try to flick it up, get some cool shots with the CAMARO, because I really haven't on a drag radial yet. You know, it's a little dirty, which kind of blows me, but you know, I don't have time to go to the fucking, I just took the tarp off and it was dirty. I was like, damn, that sucks. But all right guys, I'll catch you at the E station. Enjoy the video. Pulled up to the E station. Got the thick joints on still.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, coding got me tripping. Cut the coupe, walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice.
Alright guys, so I got you on the head mount right now. We're about to hit Mexico, Autobahn, wherever, whatever it may be. How easy these cars are, BMW and this one, to merge on the highway, because you're just, it's such a monster that it's just like super easy to just get in front of cars. Shit's wild. The bad thing is I'm on radials, kind of sucks, but for a highway, like if you're on radials over like 100, 120, you're swaying like a fucking bitch. So I'm not gonna go too gusto right now, but you know, we go rip it around a little bit. Guys, we're back out on the highway. Freaking, I think my carbon fiber, one of my tips on my exhaust is kind of loose. I might need to check that out. I hear a little rattle back there. It kind of sucks. Maybe one of the screws came loose, because I don't know if you guys have seen, I'll show you in a little bit. My tips are like carbon fiber on the outside, so hope you guys have been enjoying this content, by the way. I wanted to say that. I just want to say thank you for all the love and support on the channel. You guys have been awesome. We're about to go through a tunnel right here. I'm about to rip the fuck out of this shit. Windows down and all for you guys. Let these cars go ahead of me a little bit. Oh, we are chilling. Traction control turned off. I'm geeked, bro. Oh no. Oh. I already know I look goofy as fuck wearing this head mount, but you know, gotta do it, right? Gotta do it for the content. Oh shit. Connecting right now, guys. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Connecting. Just waiting for it to connect really quickly. And then we're good to go. Alright, sweet. About to launch it right now. God damn. Right now. I love fat bird mark or tire marks. Oh, I'm such a head. That was a terrible fucking pull. 3.98 still. I told you it was gonna be in the threes even on Bear Road. Oh man, dude, that is hilarious. Oh man. 3.98. I called it. I told you. Oh shit, but I needed to do that. Now my wheels are a little warmer, so we're gonna do a pull here in a second. Shit, I'm actually gonna do one right here. Fuck it. It's actually a really good spot to do it. I am not hooking at all on these radials this time. Reset it one more time. Alright, I'm not gonna fucking, I'm just gonna gas it. Alright, I'm not gonna fucking, I'm just gonna gas it. That is terrible. Let me see what my last one was. Me. Here we go. That is fucking terrible. Alright guys, so the best one I ran was that first one at a 398. My wheels are not hooking for shit right now. I'm about to go show you guys. I just left so many tire marks. Like, not even trying to. Like, I was actually trying to dead hook and go, but the car's not having it today. It is 62 right now outside, so that might be an issue. Obviously the weather makes a difference, but Yeah. All right, I'm gonna pull you off this right here. I'm gonna show you guys how bad I spun, dude. You guys see that in the video? Dude, it's so freaking bad. That is so bad. So this one was my best run, and look how bad I spun on this one too. Oh shit. Yeah. I still ran a 3.98, so fuck what you told. I'm doing one last one. That one I actually hooked. I did it on my, oh no, my camera just went flying. I did it on my last tire spots. I actually hooked. 3.5, let's go. Hey, let's fucking go. That's the fuck I'm talking about. All right, guys, so this is what I ran on the 0 to 60 on that last one. Let's go. This camera's having trouble focusing. Fucking GoPros. But 3.51, 0 to 60, man. Let's get it. 60 foot was 3.26. Oh shit, let's go. I did a pull where I had my other tire marks from the last time I tried that I ran a 3.98. I went back to that same spot, went right over the tire marks, and I ran a 3.51. And this is on bare ass road too, so that's pretty solid for bare road. I still spun, as obviously, but like still, like, that's pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please smash a like if you enjoyed. Please smash a subscribe. I appreciate all the love on the channel. Road to 1,000. Peace out, guys. Take it easy.